I'm going to go through a problem that you're going to see on IXL where you're going to be given the volume of a triangular prism and you're going to have to find the missing length of the triangular prism. Okay, so this is going to test your knowledge of how you use a formula for the volume of a triangular prism. Okay, because it's not just finding the volume, it's using the formula to figure out the length when you're given the volume. Okay, so let's jump right in. First thing you're going to do is write down the formula. I know, it's earth-shattering stuff. You write the formula every time. Okay, that's my suggestion. You should do it too. Okay, so I'm going to write the formula for a triangular prism for volume. Okay, now like I've talked about in the past, there's a number of different formulas that may be used for a triangular prism when you find volume. I'm going to use the one that we talked about, okay, and I think will be easiest for you to use. Okay, the formula that we talked about was length times width times height divided by 2. Okay, length times width times height divided by 2 equals volume. So what are you going to do? You're going to plug in the numbers that you know. The volume, in this case, we know it says 36 feet cubed. So I'm going to put in 36. The length, the L, is 4. So I'm going to put a 4 in. The width is 3. The height is D, and then you can divide by 2. Okay, then you can divide by 2. It doesn't matter which one you're missing. You're going to do it the same way every time. It's just that the letter might be in a different spot. Okay, so when you take 4 times 3, you get 12. And 12 times D is 12D. So you're going to get 36 equals 12D divided by 2. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite that up here. 36 equals 12D divided by 2. So after you've multiplied the top row, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to divide 12 divided by 2 to get this 2 out of the denominator. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So you get 6D. 36 equals 6D. And then you're just solving for the variable. In order to get the variable alone, you divide by 6. Those cancel. What you do to one side, you do to the other. 36 divided by 6 is 6. In this case, the label is feet. So 6 feet equals D. Okay? This will help you a lot with some of the problems that you're going to see on IXL. Okay, so please get this in your notes and make sure you're utilizing this formula correctly. Okay, this is a good example that shows you every step that you should have.